Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and give me some thumbs. What I have for y'all today, I made it the other day and I took some to work and they went crazy. Okay? So I am getting ready. I'm at my boyfriend's house. I am in Illinois today. I'm here for the weekend. Say hi, honey. Hello. You gotta come over here so that everybody can see. But he has a Ninja too, just like me.
Hello, everybody.
This is Rhino. This is my sweetheart.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Let's get this chicken crack.
They don't even know. I ain't even saying nothing about no chicken crack. But that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing chicken crack. Okay. Okay. This is the bomb. But I'm still gonna do the mustard. I'm still gonna put the mustard on. So I already rinsed and dried off the chicken. I'm not putting any salt, pepper, none of that on here. So put a little mustard. And then I'm just gonna mush that on there, and then I'm gonna put this chicken. They have different different kind, different. They got the this is the regular, I believe, and then they have the hot, and I believe they have one for fish, and they just have different kind. But I got this from the Easter market, the local Easter market. I love to get all my meat and stuff there. But I was kind of tripping when I seen this chicken crack. So, okay. I'm gonna I'm gonna mush this mustard all over, and then I'm gonna put this on here, and I'm gonna load it in the Ninja air fryer, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, Ronald, can you come help me? Can you open this up for me? He think he gonna just be sitting around not helping out. No. It's just little simple little things I want him to do. How many of y'all are in a long distance relationship? We've been in a relationship for 3 years. It'll be 4 years in November. So it's about 3 years. I live in Detroit. Well, I live in Oak Park, Michigan. And he lives in Aurora, Illinois. And it's get rocky a little, at times, but we stick it out.
I love this woman right here.
Okay. I love him too. Okay, so I said I was going to be back, but I'll be back after I coat the chicken. Okay? Okay, I'm back. So, trying to coat that chicken in that bowl, it didn't work. If I could have put that breader bowl in my bag, because I ordered a breader bowl. That is the bomb diggity, okay? It coats your chicken perfectly. If I could have put that in my suitcase, I would have. Thanks, Miss Brazil, again. But anyway, I'm getting ready to spray the chicken. I got it coated real good. Oh yeah, this is good spray right here. Oh shoot, come on out. I gotta get one of those other sprayers too. Amazon. Okay. Dang. So we're gonna turn it on. I want to put it on 375 and let's just go with 22. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. This chicken is done. Crunchy. It look crunchy. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. Air fryer ain't no joke, y'all. I'm telling you. And I haven't tasted this batch yet, but the other batch that I made, I guess they called it that. Well, I know they called it that because it's addictive, like crack. So good. But I'll be back after I plate it, because I cooked some other stuff, so I'll be back. Okay, here go the second batch, y'all. I'm getting ready to flip it. Flip, flip, flip. Let me see if it's ready to be flipped. I need to let that sit in there for a little bit longer. Yeah. Be back.
A car battery will stop working at sub-zero temperatures, but even getting frozen in a
Amen.
device couldn't make
Amen.
stop working.
Now let's test this chicken out.
And it'll keep working when fully submerged in water, even 212-degree boiling water.
Chicken crack.
It's tough enough to survive being run over by a Humvee. Try that with a regular flashlight.
Delicious.
Compact and lightweight, it goes where you go. So you can feel safe in dark places at night, or just have the right light for emergency situations.
What you think about Popeyes
and there's
now?
never been a better choice for camping, fishing, or
Never
hunting.
again.
What else?
Yeah, yeah, right.
It's made of high-grade aircraft aluminum.
Okay, y'all.
1,000 hours.
I'm gonna do a thumbnail right quick before we get into it.
Tactical flashlights of this quality are selling right now for $60 or more.
All right.
But Bell & Howell has
All right, y'all.
priced to just $19.99.
If you like this channel, if you love this channel, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And you guys have a great night. All right. All right. Hit the thumb.